So in this video, you'll learn how to show or hide the caller ID of your Samsung Galaxy A56. So the first step is to open the phone app. Then you want to select Keypad and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Choose the option Settings and you'll be then taken to the Call Settings menu. The next step is to find Supplementary services and select it, and then wait for them to load. Once loaded, you should see the option Show Your Caller ID. So when you tap on it, you'll see three other options underneath. You have Network Default, you have Never, and you have Always. So if your caller ID is set to Network Default, it means based on your carrier, your caller ID will either always be shown or it will be hidden. If you want to hide it completely because you're not sure about your network default, then just tap on Never, wait for the changes to load, and now your caller ID will be hidden completely. If you want to show your caller ID, then you can just come here and select Always. Wait for the changes to load and your caller ID will always be shown. If you want to change it back to network default, you can just select it from there, wait for the changes to load, and it will go back to the network default. So it's completely up to you to decide which of these options you'd prefer to do whenever it comes to your caller ID. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.